Solid time. Is this something you may have a problem with? Way back in the day, I didn't think I had a time problem. I could play real easy with a click. No one said anything. My teachers didn't say anything. Bandmates didn't say anything. We all had a good time. We played. We had great shows. It was no big deal. And then one day, way back, Steve Smith, the drummer from Journey, put out his first instructional video. And he starts it off talking about time and how he had some issues with time. And it, again, like me, wasn't where he couldn't play with a click. It was all the notes in between. And you probably have rushed a fill or maybe drug a fill out. I know I have. And that's kind of what we're talking about here. All that stuff in between. Even if I'm playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, that bass drum, that and 3, I was rushing the 8th note into 3. I wasn't locking it in right where it was supposed to be. And that deals with time. Again, everything was on the click. It was just little things like that in between. So he comes out with this video and he talks about how he had to take it from his mind and somehow fix it. And he decided to verbalize it while he's playing. He verbalized the subdivisions in between the clicks, in between the quarter notes per se. And I thought, interesting, I'm going to try that. Now, we may subdivide in our heads, but it's a whole nother thing to actually verbally say it and play it at the same time. Some people find it hard for a little bit, but it goes away. But when you verbally say it and you play it and you're listening to a click and all this stuff starts to line up, that is when your time becomes better because everything's lining up. I can tell you this, once I started that and I practiced for a little while with that, it was like everybody pretty soon was coming up to me going, man, your time is locked in at the moment. Or people would ask, what did you do you're just like on point right now. And it was all because I put 2 and 2 together. I put the subdivisions with my mouth out loud. Don't do it in your head, but physically do it while I was playing. And it just locked everything in. So right now I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna do what I did, what I learned from Steve Smith. Just give you a little indication of that. And yeah, we'll see what it does. I swear this will help you. I swear it. So here we go. I'm gonna set a click up and we're gonna start playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 E into 1 E into 2 E into 3 E into 4 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 E. 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and a 3. So by doing that, everything I was playing with my hands goes with my voice. If I say and I go and, I come after it, that's not in time. 1 E and, 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, a 4 E and, a 1 E and, a 2 E and, a 3 E and, a 4 E and a 1. You want to line all that up with what you're saying with all the subdivisions, okay? All right, folks. That's my video on time. I hope you take this and work with it. Physically say it out loud. I know it feels weird when you do it, maybe the first couple of times, but once you get past that, and it just becomes second nature at that point. And then you do clean up everything you play. Okay? If you're talking about jazz time, do it in triplets. You know, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. You know, get that those three partials lined up with whatever you're doing, with your ride cymbal, with your stuff on the snare drum, with your fills. All right, folks. If you dug my video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video. That'd be super cool. Down in the comments section, have you ever had a problem with time? Most of us have, so the answer probably is yes. Also put down there, how did you fix it? Did you do something like this or not? And until the next time, everybody, take care.